Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix your problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can remove your card from your Facebook's ad account, alright? So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm gonna be showing. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. Now first step is you want to go to your Facebook account. So this is basically my Facebook account. Once you're on your Facebook account, you want to go on your Facebook page from where like you want to remove your card from your ads account. So I'm gonna go on my food restaurant over here. So this is my Facebook profile. Once you go on your Facebook profile, you should see the little manage button over here. So you want to click on manage. Once you click on manage, it's gonna take you to the main managing page of your page. Once you're in the managing page of your page, you can see where it says ad center. You want to click on ad center. Now once you click on ad center, you can see your payment settings option at the side over here where it says tools. Once you see payment setting, click on it. And once you're on your payment setting page, click on OK and scroll a bit down. Once you scroll a bit down, you can see where it says your payment method and you can see my card. And right beside my card, you can see the three dot. Right beside my MasterCard over here, there's this three dot. Click on it. And you can see the remove button after you click on the three dot. Click on remove. And it's gonna show you, are you sure you want to do? Just click on remove and your card will be removed. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can remove your card from your Facebook ad page. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.